First, locate the license plate light assembly on your Dodge Grand Caravan, typically found above the license plate. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently remove the lens cover. Depending on the model year, it may be secured by screws or clips. Once the lens is off, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. Avoid twisting, as this can damage the socket. If the bulb is stubborn, use pliers for a better grip. Remember the bulb type, usually a 194 wedge base bulb. Insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's properly aligned. LED bulbs are increasingly popular for their longevity and brightness, offering a direct replacement for the original incandescent. After inserting the new bulb, test the light by turning on your parking lights. If it doesn't light up, check for blown fuses. Once confirmed working, reattach the lens cover, securing it with the screws or clips. For older models, consider adding a sealant to prevent moisture ingress. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Dodge Grand Caravan's license plate light bulb.